Eastern Group has been established in 1977. We are the pioneer industrial properties and construction properties in the state of Johor. We're doing the business in fabrications, engineering, and we have our own construction arms, and we have logistic teams, we have manpower supplies, and we have accommodations for the workers. Coming on the years, we have started the design and build suit to these marketing strategies to provide the solutions to the investors. And the major milestone that Eastern Group is being achieved during the recent year, we have fully support from our subsidy companies, and we have secured more than hundreds of design and build suit to lead project for the DDI and FDI. Inderpura Industrial Park is another signature development by Eastern Groups. Our industrial park is covered about 200 acres, and from the detached factories, from the sizes of the detached factory is about 14,000 square feet to 1 acres and above design and build factories to provided to our investors. And we are just completed the first stage and the second stage of our industrial park, and the third phase we are offering more lands and bigger sizes of the players coming to our industrial park.